Currently, QuickSwap has been the crypto pumping despite coins on the global crypto market dumping right now. Over the last 30 days, QuickSwap has pumped to about 100%. This means that if you had invested in QuickSwap last month, you would have been ×2 richer today. If you brought $1,000 worth of QuickSwap 30 days ago, your $1,000 would have been $2,000 today. This amount isn't that crazy for a $1,000 investment, but let's look at it this way. If you invested $10,000, you would have double of that, which is $20,000 in just 30 days. Now this is amazing. Seeing this, investors are also amazed but kinda curious as they ask questions like, Trader Nay, what is QuickSwap? Is QuickSwap a good coin to invest in 2023? What do you think about buying QuickSwap coins now? Will QuickSwap still increase in price? Investors still go on asking for the price prediction of QuickSwap and my reasons for that. If you are also curious about this, sit back, grab a popcorn, and watch this video to the end because I will be touching all these aspects of questions. But before getting into the discussion, I'm Trader Nay, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, so this video could reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. QuickSwap is an automated market maker on the Polygon Network. It's a copy of Uniswap and offers the same liquidity pool model. Users add pairs of tokens to liquidity pools and earn transaction fees from others who swap their tokens using the pools. QuickSwap has seen popularity due to the speed and low fees offered by the Polygon Network. It's also compatible with the Ethereum blockchain, allowing you to swap ERC20 tokens. There is, however, always the risk of impermanent loss. QuickSwap is a fork of Uniswap developed by Mudge and Sameep Singhania on the Polygon blockchain platform. It offers a decentralized exchange experience using an automated market maker (AMM) model for users to exchange tokens. QuickSwap has no order book, as users trade from pools of tokens known as liquidity pools. Automated market makers, AMM, like QuickSwap are hugely popular in decentralized finance, DeFi. The Uniswap model has become a standard across different blockchains and Layer 2 platforms. QuickSwap provides the same functionality as Uniswap, but it's based on the Polygon network instead of Ethereum. According to its white paper, QuickSwap uses the automated market maker model to create liquidity pools of tokens that users can access to swap. Users don't trade as makers or takers but instead interact with a smart contract. Anyone can start providing liquidity by depositing a pair of coins of equal value. In return, the liquidity providers receive liquidity pool tokens that act as a receipt for their share of the pool. These liquidity pool tokens are burnt when reclaiming your tokens. Users can also provide them to a third party to use in yield farming, where fees are constantly reinvested in the pool to compound your interest. QuickSwap's automated market maker model rewards liquidity providers with a 0.3% fee shared proportionally based on the liquidity provided. The token's prices aren't determined via an order book but through a formula known as the constant product market maker. Quick is an ERC20 token that launched in February 2021. It acts as QuickSwap's governance token. 90% of the token's total supply has been distributed as rewards to anyone liquidity mining and turning liquidity providers into platform stakeholders. QuickSwap's governance model is common to other DeFi projects, including Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Holders of Quick can create proposals and vote on them to add new features or changes to the platform. On the coin market cap, Quick is currently trading at $74.70. With a market capitalization of $38 million, which is up by 4.8%, a fully diluted market cap of $74 million, and a 24-hour trading volume of $137 million, which is down by 22.5%. QuickSwap being one of the best decentralized exchanges on Polygon just makes it good. Looking at the price and chart, the coin is having a healthy and good pump, which is great for any type of crypto. For me, I think QuickSwap is a great investment if you are thinking of holding it for the future. This is because we all know Polygon is a crypto that has stayed for a long and it has gained a lot of investors' trust. Again, the Polygon is one of the best network blockchains we have in the crypto space today due to its fast transaction, scalability, and cheap gas fee. If you believe in Polygon, then you have to give QuickSwap a try. It just got listed on Binance. With this, you can tell that the devs are keeping to their word. QuickSwap also associating with Polygon just conclude that it's a legitimate investment. As long as Polygon blockchain grows, QuickSwap is surely growing with it. Despite QuickCoin pumping rapidly in price, I want you to invest a little on this just because as a decentralized exchange coin, it tends to have a slow growth. If you want fast money coming in, then QuickSwap isn't the one for you. With the way QuickCoin is pumping, I think it can go to $100 before the year runs out. Finally, if you do not like QuickCoin, kindly check out the videos on my channel to see a lot of cryptocurrency that I talk about and then invest in the one that suits your taste. You can also subscribe because more other videos are coming. This will be the end of this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.